Hi, welcome to Chili's hotel commercial. Well, Chili Inc. Not Chili Inc. Chili Inn, yeah, work with that. We have a high definition, sorry, high definition TV screen, high definition speakers, a surround sound optional with high definition flat plasma screen TV. Look how big it is. We have luxurious couches, tables for eating with a beautiful view, a laptop, and best of all, YouTube and me. But anyway, we have a coffee maker. See? Hot, fresh coffee and unlimited snacks. What? And an ice maker, and small but stylish. Also, we have our microwave, dishwashers, oven, sinks, and my favorite part, I'm running. If you think it's a jacuzzi, that's a closet, wrong bathroom. Where did I see it? Okay. Where did I see that bathroom? I saw it somewhere.
After 8 hours of continuously looking for the bathroom.
I don't see it anywhere. Nope. More double closet space. We have another TV too with a Wii system. And 500 channels. And the grand finale. A shower. And a humongous thing with mirrors. And a toilet. A sink. And that and even more rooms inside the rooms. With towels and toilet paper. And all your personal hygiene needs. Man, that's one big bathtub. And this has been Chili Inn Hotel Commercial. Bye! Oh wait, we even have fitness center. 50 rounds and guitars for music lessons. Now that was it. Bye!